up in there.
Oh, you can definitely tell it is. It's scorching hot.
Oh,
and they wet. They soaking wet.
Come on!
That's not.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's not good. He said it's hotter than a sauna in here.
He's talking about some Mayday. Oh no, look.
Wait.
No way. You are lying. No way.
Look, his arm went right back inside. Babe, that's his face. That's.
The mother rhino is giving birth.
It's gonna be one ugly rhino.
Ew. Oh my god.
Mommy.
Hey.
Look at.
Come on!
Oh my gosh.
Must have air!
Of course. It's a source. I take it.
Come on, girls.
The mother rhino is giving birth.
Oh my god.
Mom.
Oh my god. They not gonna never be the same after this.
No, we have to get out of here.
Hey, little dude thought it was cool. What? I'd have been traumatized. I've seen a rhino give birth to a guy.
So hot. Trying to keep concentration. How are they standing on the sun? And
dog, and his name was Bingo.
uh-oh. What are you? Oh no! No. No. This is so sick. No.
The mother rhino is giving birth.
You guys are sick.
Yo.
Are you still not realizing? Help! For the sake of time, this movie. What were you saying about the safari you want to go to?
Bingo.
B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O. Does it? Oh, shh.
Come on!
Oh! Oh! Oh my god, no. He's gonna set himself on fire that way. Oh. Uh-oh. Is he gonna get out of its a-hole? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, great. Why are they taking a photo of this?
The mother rhino is giving birth.
Not quite. Are they stupid? Oh my gosh. Oh no, and he's naked too, and all sweaty and ew. Oh.
The sum we've agreed upon.
I love that those two are just not noticing a giant mechanical rhino. And one of them is a rhino hunter.
Mm-hmm. Oh no.
God. Oh no.
Oh my god. This is my nightmare. Oh god. Oh.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh. Oh no. Oh my god.
I did not know the context around this was so ridiculous.
How could you see that and think that it's like, that's outrageous?
This is the picture that I've seen. I didn't realize the lead-in was this.
Oh my god.
That was so much more than I thought it was gonna be.
Oh, no. I speak too soon.
It's hot.
It's hot. It's getting hot. Like a greenhouse.
Wow.
Midday.
Ma. This is metal. What the? Ew.
Okay.
Get some oxygen.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
Come on!
Oh my goodness, you're stuck in there.
No, it doesn't open. It's gonna die there.
There's a hole in there.
Oh yeah. Huh?
From the butt, yeah.
It's the butt.
Oh no, freaking tourist. No.
The mother rhino is giving birth.
No.
Man, when they will see what gets out from there. Uh-oh.
It looks like a human. I'm so white.
Whoa. And he's naked, remember?
Yeah.
That guy. Cool. Run for your life.
Oh, this looks like it literally got worse. Oh no, not the tour, not the tour! You're gonna get, oh my gosh, she's gonna get burned out of this.
The mother rhino is giving
Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Stop! Stop it! You're gonna traumatize the children. Oh my god! He said cool? Oh wow!
These rhinos.
There's bacon.
Ew, look how wet they are. Ew. I hope he's getting some good intel. That would be the worst. That would be terrible.
Oh yeah, cause I'm claustrophobic. Like I would start tripping.
Plus he's already hot. Now we've got gas in the air. He's loopy without all that. Please stop.
You know how this is gonna go.
Look, here comes tourist. Ah! Stop.
What would you think, like, as a human head?
A human. Look at ew. Look at who's coming out.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy!
These kids are gonna be traumatized. They're gonna be so confused about life. And he came out too. Like in his birthday suit. Like he had just been birthed.
The fact that he came out naked, not him.
Uh-oh.
Kinda hot in these rhinos.
Oh no, it's so hot. And they still like, why just oh my god, you can get out of here. Oh no. They still
The dog, and his name was Bingo.
He listened to this? Yeah, I think he says
Oxygen.
But you don't wear your clothes. Oh no, it's stuck. Oh no. No, don't break it. Oh, damn you. Oh my god, someone come and help him. Ah! What's that? Water? Oh no, oh my god! No! Ew! Grab the tail. Wait. The rhino is giving birth. That's weird. Oh my gosh. Mommy. Oh, and he's not wearing clothes. Get out of here.
Get in the Jeep.
So this is how you explain when your kid asks, like, where do I come from?
Oh, it must be crazy. Oh, the sounds. Oh, he's drenched. That's disgusting. So no one noticed the massive rhino standing 10 feet from them.
Must have air.
Oh no. Oh no. No. Don't do it. Don't do it. He's gonna do it. Oh, I don't like this. Shield your children's eyes, please.
Mommy.
This is the worst parenting I think I've seen in ever. Shield the eyes of your children, please.
Cool. No, we have to get out of here.
Best vacation ever. Why did they all want to witness it?
Well, how did you get